We've got Nooresh Mirani joining in. And Nooresh, let's get in a sense from you as to how you're expecting the July series to kick off and pan out, given that we started off on a pretty healthy note.
So this could be an interesting series given that a lot of heavyweights are on the verge of a breakout. Yesterday and day before, we saw Reliance Industries breaking out, and we've now got a trigger in terms of tariff hikes. Bharti Airtel also made a new all-time high. Now, the next heavyweight, the largest weight in the index, HDFC Bank, is just, say, the all-time highs are around 1740, 1730. The stock has closed closer to 1700, 2% away from an all-time high. And this has been tested 10 times. So that's on a breakout, close to a breakout. Then you add up ICICI Bank, which has already broken out. Then you have a Kotak Mahindra Bank turning around. So this, and if that was not enough, we've started seeing even a IT sector like TCS making a short-term breakout, Infosys making a move. So that makes it almost 50% of the index actually breaking out right now. Although the indices have already moved up 3-4% from the previous all-time high, we are seeing fresh breakouts in a lot of heavyweights. So this makes the momentum strong. The base now shifts higher to 23,500 to 700 in the short term, and then continue to trail it on. That's the only way one can ride this move.
Okay, Nooresh, hi, morning. Let's discuss the stocks that you're recommending as well.
So first is a buy on IGL. The stock has been sideways for the longest time, and there have been many false starts over the last 1 year. Now looking at it, the stock is again back to the same prices where it has taken a resistance around that 480, 490 mark, which was the top 3 months back. This is also the same price where it did a gap down from, went all the way down to sub 400 levels. And the stock is available at the same prices pre-COVID levels. So expecting it to break out above the 490 mark, initial target price of 520, which is the next major resistance. Stop loss to be placed at 480. Second is a buy on Kotak Mahindra Bank. The stock has given that breakout about 1800. The price point from where it gapped down and went all the way to sub 1600 levels has made a strong recovery. We've seen good momentum yesterday also in relative strength. Expecting it to test that 1950 2000 resistance. Stop loss to be now kept at 1800.
All right, thanks very much, Nooresh, for running us through all of those top recommendations.